Hello everyone, welcome to the best product review channel on YouTube. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we analyze hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guide and check out the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, without any delay, let's get started.
In this video we break down the top 5 best ab roller wheel you can buy right now. We made this list based on performance, features of the product, value for money, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best ab roller wheel on the market this year. Before we start, I have a question for you guys. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is DMoose Fitness Ab Roller Wheel. The DMoose Ab Roller with elbow support features a wide, rubber-coated wheel that ensures a smooth, silent roll across any surface. Perfect for home use, this design minimizes noise and floor damage, allowing you to concentrate on your core workout without disturbances. Its stability and quiet operation make it an ideal choice for any time of day, in any setting. Constructed with a durable stainless steel frame, the DMoose Ab Roller Wheel is built for longevity. This robust design can withstand the most intense workouts, providing a stable and reliable core training tool. Depend on this abdominal wheel ab roller to maintain its integrity and performance over time, supporting your fitness journey every step of the way. Experience unparalleled comfort and control with the DMoose Ab Roller's ergonomic handles. Designed to fit naturally in your hands, these handles reduce strain and enhance grip, allowing for longer, more effective workouts. The thoughtful design ensures that you can focus on your core without distractions, making every session more productive and enjoyable. Our second best ab roller wheel is Vinsguir Ab Roller Wheel. The Vinsguir Abs wheel targets your abdominals, hip flexors, and back muscles. With dedicated practice, this exercise wheel will speed up your core and low back strengthening while lessening your risk of muscle injury. The 3.2-inch dual wheel ab roller offers extra support and stability compared to the common single ab wheel. Equipped with a knee pad, this ab roller wheel delivers comfortable workout experience and carrying protection. Just embrace the freedom of more thrilling and challenging routines without the hassle of using resistance bands. Unlike big gym machines, or heavy weight benches, dumbbells, and the like, the Vinsguir Ab Wheel Roller is portable size-wise, a compact design that enables you to take it anywhere to exercise, be it your home, office, gym, or outdoors. The high-strength stainless steel shaft of the Ab Roller for abs workout can hold a maximum weight of 440 pounds for your safety. The 3.2-inch ultra-wide abs roller ensures balance and stability as it does not deviate sideways. EVA rubber cotton handles provide non-slip and comfortable grip. This workout roller goes beyond working your abs and burning your fat. As a versatile roller wheel, it is of no contest when it comes to selecting an ideal gift for your family and friends, not to mention the satisfaction guaranteed after sales services. Number 3 in our list is Perfect Fitness Ab Carver Pro Roller. The Perfect Fitness Ab Carver Pro is an ab wheel with a patented design that improves the effectiveness of ab exercises and helps to engage and strengthen muscles in the back, chest, arms, and core. Unlike traditional ab wheels, the Ab Carver Pro uses a unique carbon steel spring mechanism that provides resistance as users roll out and assistance as they roll back, engaging muscles more thoroughly. While most ab rollers feature flat wheels that only allow for rolling straight out and back, the Ab Carver Pro features a wide, spherical wheel that helps users engage all ab muscles, including obliques, by pivoting to the right and left. This helps to strengthen deep core muscles that stabilize the pelvis and spine. The Ab Carver Pro also features padded, angled, ergonomic hand grips that maximize engagement of arm muscles while remaining comfortable and stable. Patented carbon steel spring mechanism provides resistance while rolling out, increasing activation of core and abdominal muscles. Fourth recommendation in our side is the EnterSports Ab Rollers. This Ab Rollers is made of high-strength stainless steel shaft which can support 600 pounds, 3.2-inch width roller with the non-slip design lets you roll across any surface without wobbling. The handle is covered by foam padding to prevent hands from slipping during intense workouts. It takes less 1 minute to assemble the wheel roller. It is easy to pack the exercise wheel to your gym bag, backpack, or luggage. Enjoy workout anywhere you want. EnterSports Roller Wheel is designed as your personal fitness trainer. It works various muscles targeting your abs, hip flexors, shoulders, and back, burning your calories to shape a better figure. EnterSports Ab Wheel comes with all the accessories you need. 2 resistance bands, 2 knee pads, 2 push-up bars, handles, grips, and 1 exercise guide post. The resistance bands used with the roller or handles grips can increase the difficulty of training, suitable for beginners to professional person. Ensures this will quickly become your favorite no-risk purchase. Last in our top 5 best ab roller wheel list is HARISON Ab Roller Wheel. HARISON Ab Roller for abs workout made of solid carbon steel, built-in thick alloy steel pipe to enhance the bearing capacity. The ergonomic design of HARISON Ab Wheel Roller features 4 wheels with dual gliding capabilities, comprising of high-quality reusable ABS plastic rim upholstered with anti-skid rubber treads for body traction. HARISON Ab Wheel Roller for core workout is designed to aid your core workouts. It also serves to work your whole upper body including back, arm, shoulders and chest muscles in an effective and safe way. Significantly strengthens and tones your entire body by hitting your abs, core, torso, shoulders, arms, upper and burn fat. For wheels, Abs Wheel Roller is one great way to do your abs core workouts. This becomes possible due to a great combination of top quality materials and unmatched build quality. A 10mm extra thick knee pad will come together with HARISON Ab machine exercise equipment. You can enjoy a comfortable workout experience. Great fitness ab roller